Is it time to buy or sell GameStop stock? In this video, we will explore GameStop in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of October, 2024, our system has ranked GameStop as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, achieving a gain of 35.81% since we initially recommended purchasing GameStop 23 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.56% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. If there is any pullback, support will now be found at the threshold of the current trend, which has been breached at $29.94. This level may present a second opportunity for a potential rally. According to fan theory, $35.48 is projected to be the next likely peak level, which may act as a resistance that could prove challenging to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 27.14% over the coming 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 0.5% and 23.31%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 29.05% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between negative 26.42% and 132.22%. This corresponds to a projected price range of $22.72 to $71.68 after a year. Our latest daily update for GameStop features the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for GameStop. The GameStop stock price increased by 1.81% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, moving from $30.32 to $30.87. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this trend continues or if a brief pause occurs in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.41%, with a low of $30.51 and a high of $31.55. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, showing an increase of 16.58% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 12 million shares, totaling 12 million shares bought and sold for approximately $385,630,000. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence, which may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the near future. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $64.83, while the lowest was $9.95. Currently, the price stands 52.38%, or $33.96, below the 52-week high, and 93.61%, or $452.13, below the all-time high recorded on January 28, 2021, when it peaked at $483. GameStop has recently announced that it will release its third quarter fiscal results on the 10th of December, 2024, a key date for investors as it may significantly influence market sentiment. With anticipation building around these results, particularly amid reports of a potential short squeeze gaining traction on platforms like StockTwits, we could see considerable volatility leading up to this earnings report. Additionally, GameStop has been highlighted among the top-performing stocks in the S&P 1,500 over the last 5 years, underscoring its strong total return performance. This history may bolster investor confidence, possibly attracting new interest in the stock. Furthermore, the recent appointment of Nat Turner, CEO of Collectors Holdings, to GameStop's board may indicate a strategic pivot towards the trading card market, aligning with emerging trends in collectibles. This move could diversify GameStop's business model and attract collectors, which may enhance its market positioning in the long run. Meanwhile, Vanguard's increased stake from 6.3% to 8.7% signals institutional confidence, which often serves as a bullish indicator. In the short term, these developments could lead to increased trading activity and price fluctuations, while in the long term, they may establish a more sustainable growth trajectory for GameStop as a cash-rich entity and a more diversified company. Investors should keep a close eye on upcoming announcements and market reactions as these factors evolve. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 17th of May, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned GameStop a rating of underperform with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 25th of March, 2024, it was again reported that Wedbush assigned GameStop a rating of underperform with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, the 2nd of September, 2022, it was reported that Raymond James assigned GameStop a neutral rating with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, the 18th of August, 2022, it was reported that Wedbush assigned GameStop a rating of underperform with a recommendation to downgrade. On Friday, the 22nd of July, 2022, it was reported that Wedbush assigned GameStop a rating of underperform with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to GameStop stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, as well as the price-to-book ratio, which is also rated as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a sell rating. The following signals have been identified for GameStop. The GameStop stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels around $28.95 and $24.16. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was noted from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 58.23%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's important to note that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, this stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 50 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 24 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for GameStop. GameStop finds support from accumulated volume at $30.32. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.04 between its high and low, representing a movement of 3.41%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.5%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for GameStop, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to display such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of December 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are projecting a loss of 3 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GameStop. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, GameStop encounters its first support level at $30.32. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for GameStop from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of October, 2024, Moore Daniel William conducted an insider sale of 2,624 shares of Class A common stock. On the 10th of October, 2024, Robinson Mark Haymond conducted an insider sale of 11,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of October, 2024, Moore Daniel William conducted an insider sale of 2,376 shares of Class A common stock. On the 2nd of October, 2024, Moore Daniel William conducted an insider sale of 1,972 shares of Class A common stock. On the 2nd of October, 2024, Robinson Mark Haymond conducted an insider sale of 4,667 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 32.694. Overall, insiders purchased 991,389 shares and sold 2,237,924 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $29.98, reflecting a decline of 2.88%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over 14 days, stands at 81, further elevating the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 49 days ago. Is GameStop stock a good buy? GameStop presents several positive indicators, yet we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of November, we anticipate GameStop to open up by 10.7 cents, starting the day at $30.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.